You are quite precariously balanced right now, but you will notice that I am fully on screen. You know why? Because I fixed my camera. I'm a man! I want to go to war! What you're currently watching is what was supposed to be some interesting footage with a voiceover of me cutting out an illustration I'd done on a piece of paper that I realised was too small for it, so that I could put it onto a mixed media background in my bigger journal. And I was going to impart some wisdom about how I was going to do it, and so on and so forth. I can impart a little bit of wisdom here. When I'm cutting, you'll notice that for the most part, I cut sideways. I don't cut vertically. And the reason I do that is because I use my thumb to add pressure to the knife rather than my index finger. If you use your index finger as if you were writing and you have arthritis in that finger, it can be really painful. So I've learned to hold the scalpel so that I can put pressure on with my thumb, because my thumb is already gripping the knife. So there's pressure there already. It doesn't make any extra effort to put enough pressure on the blade to cut through the paper. Little handy tip there if you're having hand problems like I do. Another thing is that you'll notice I turn my paper a lot, and that's because I use the same technique as I do when I'm cutting with scissors, that instead of turning the blade around a corner, you hold the blade steady and you turn the paper against the blade. And when I get to the branches, I don't cut around each branch as if I was drawing around each branch. I start at an internal point and follow the branch out to the end, then go back to the point and follow the branch out to the end. So I cut from the innermost point to the outer edge of the paper at all times. So it's like taking slices out rather than trying to go all the way around a piece. At some point I will do this again for something and I will film it and do it properly. But that's just a quick overview of what I was doing here and what I had intended to show you. But then my camera died. That's right, the faulty LCD screen I've been working with for several weeks now completely died, and I could no longer see whether anything was recording or not, because I couldn't see that half of the screen. And that meant I couldn't record any more footage. So unfortunately, this short clip is all you're going to get. Sorry. I bought a LCD screen, one of these. I unscrewed that, I took it apart, I put it back together, and boom, I can see what I'm doing again. This is fantastic. And now I have to catch up on, I don't even know what day I'm on for the Advent. I'm going to have to check. I think I'm on day 6. I'm just going to film the ones that I know I'm missing. Whoops. One of my baubles coming off. Go back up there, you. Okay, let's do day 5 and 6, because I know I'm missing 5 and 6. I didn't vlog day 5, and I think this is day 6. But I don't know. It's very exciting. Day 5, we've got... Oh, it's a big one. Ooh. Ooh. That's weird and creepy. I like it. Spoiler alert. Look away now. There you go. It's like a weird kind of owl harpy type thing. It's very different to what she normally does, but I like it. I like it a lot. It does look like it does remind me of a harpy. Is it a harpy? Eagles with the heads of women? I'm sure they're called harpies. I mean, it's more owl-like, but that's what it reminds me of. That's day 5. And day 6. Day 6, which I think is today's, but it might be tomorrow's. I don't know. You'll find out when you see this. Ooh, it's a multiple one. Ooh. Cute, cute, cute. Oh my God, that's adorable. I don't know how I'm going to show you these because they're so tiny. There's one. The ghost with the big hands. I honestly think he's even cuter tiny than he is full size. Look at the size of his hands compared to his body. He's so cute. I love him. And then we've got creepy strawberry skull. I love the colours in this. This is a colour combination that I use a lot, this raspberry and chartreuse. I love it. And I'm really liking this brown and blue combination and brown and purple combination she's got going on. She's stepping out with her colours and her themes and stuff, and I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so that's 5 and 6. Awesome. Even more cool stickers. I'm going to open day 7 now, but you may not see day 7 now. If you're seeing day 7 now, enjoy. If you're not seeing day 7 now, thanks for joining me. See you tomorrow when you'll see day 7. I know. Look, I need to eat, okay? My brain